Did you know that pearls start as just a tiny grain of sand? Nature turns them into precious gems. Pearls form inside oysters or mollusks. When an irritant, like a grain of sand, gets inside the shell, the mollusk covers it with layers of nacre to protect itself. This process continues layer by layer until a pearl is formed. Amazingly, this can take several years. Every pearl is unique, with its color, size, and shape depending on the type of oyster and the water conditions. Next time you see a pearl, remember the incredible journey it took to form. Like this video and subscribe for more fascinating nature facts.